Так вот мы когда хотим, значит, от него не...
I don't care what nobody say. White people, why y'all be letting y'all dogs get in the bed? Them motherfuckers be digging in the ground, be digging up their butts, be licking their butts, be licking their balls, be all up in the trash can, be all in everybody's business but their own. Y'all just be like, come over here, come lay in the bed with me. That's nasty, y'all. Why y'all be letting y'all dogs? Why y'all let y'all pets? Y'all know pets is animals. Who told y'all? Who told y'all animals are pets? Motherfuckers supposed to be outside. They supposed to be outside. I don't care what nobody say. Black people, y'all got pets and y'all let them in your mouth. Y'all be licking them in their mouth. Y'all be all in their mouth. Y'all nasty. Who told y'all the animals is pets? Y'all know Chinese people eat them. Y'all know that Golden Corral, Panda Express. Y'all know Panda Express got you. When your dogs and cats go missing in the neighborhood, Panda Express. Go check your local Panda Express. I'm telling y'all nasty. Why y'all be letting y'all dogs in the bed? Ugh.
Так вот мы когда хотим, значит, от него не оторвешь. Вот так вот. Вот так вот.
Просто любовник, целовальник.
Вот так вот.